Hi there, this is Charan. Welcome to my channel Harita Computers and Technology. Till now, all my joint members will get the source code of my tutorial video series. And these are the SQL coding real-time interview questions to get all my joint members of my channel. So let's copy these all, Ctrl A and Ctrl C. After I copied, let's switch over to my channel, and I just log into my YouTube channel Harita Computers and Technology. Now, as you know that I always to my members I post my source code as well as a quiz also I will post to them for joint members. Only the source code will be available for the joint members. And now I want to copy these all questions. I'm pasting here in this text poll all the 306 interview questions. So notice here, this is the one set, this is the second 101 to 200 questions here, and from 51 to 100, and from 1 to 50 questions. So all 4 posters I have added here from 1 to 306 interview questions, only available for the members only.